Hey y'all, so I was like doing my homework and I ran into this beat that I actually wanted to spit something to y'all. I don't know. I'm just messing around. But I figured it'd be funny. Why not? I make it up. So cock out because I don't know what I'm supposed to be looking at on the camera. What else? Y'all ready? I'm ready. I've been to Barbie way before you know who got this makeover. New young money, you could call me Miss Takeover. Never stepping on the toes, nah, I'm just skating over. Don't believe I said it well, just start the taping over. Asked to be nasty and they want me to be prissy. I'm asked to be classy and I just choose to be bitchy. Got a lot of niggas, so I got a lot of problems. But I got a lot of pussy, so I got a lot to solve them. And the bitches rapping, see, it's simply a catastrophe. Cause ain't no bitch surpassing me, that's just simply not happening. Understand, know that you that Barbie, I'm in blow that. You ain't getting moolah window shopper, put them clothes back. Yeah, niggas getting pussy, yeah right, put them hoes back. I'm only speaking, guess I'm sorry, you could put them nose back. Oh wait, I think that's as far as I got. But let me try this one. On this beat. Let me try this one, hold on. Alright. I want to show them something that they never seen before. Why don't you sit back, relax, and take your sneakers off? You see, I'm creaming like I'm cool with better than your new bitch. Now throw that pussy back like you went to middle school with it. I like the boys real cool with it, real cocky. Ones to beat the pussy up like the real Rocky. You know I like them kind of big, yeah, slightly stocky. Just get me on the boat and I might let you rock me. I got a G mentality, I really smoke the valley. See, my vocab is extraordinary cause I go to college. See, the boys all acknowledge me. I come, they wanna follow me. But first of all, you gotta show me where them dollars be. I mean, I fuck around and work with you a little, but how far can this shit go? If your money don't tickle, man, it gotta make me laugh though. Gotta see that cash flow. Impress me, motherfucker, cause I'm nothing like your average hoe. I wanna get paid, but I got my own shit. And niggas kill me when they front and they don't own shit. And I'm from a small town where the girls are grown thick. So that means I need a young nigga with some grown dick. And if you could do this for me, maybe you could screw this for me. I mean, not even let you lick my coochie juices for me. I mean, you shut up. You shut up. And get back to my homework. Go. But I'll check y'all out later. It's me. Nobody's necessary. Have a good day, y'all.